this week's Ask Annissa video call-up. Well, you might think I'm in a really good mood right now, and I am. This is like my favorite time of year, you guys. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but at the filming of this video, Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Pumpkin pie. So excited for that. And then, of course, there's Christmas lights to go up and Christmas shopping to be had and pumpkin spice lattes. And I just love this time of year. It always feels so warm and cozy and yummy. And yeah, my favorite time. You know what else makes this my favorite time of year? This is the time of year that I get to ask you for some help. I'm asking you to help with the nominations for the Recognizing Women in Restoration Award that's coming up here next April of 2020. This award is so amazing and near and dear to my heart. I think it's wonderful that we recognize what women are doing in this industry. You know, we only make up about 10%, I believe, in the construction industry as far as the labor force, and yet we do so much. And I just love celebrating that and helping women move forward in the industry and taking on bigger and better roles as we go along. And R&R Magazine started this award back in 2016. I was very humbled and very honored to be the inaugural winner. And since then, we have had amazing women in the lineup winning this award. And the only way that someone wins this award is by being nominated. Now, there are a few rules that apply. The woman has to be, well, a woman, and she has to have been in the restoration industry for at least 10 years. And also, you could be nominated by someone, or you can nominate yourself. If you are proud of your accomplishments in this industry and you meet that 10-year qualifications, then by all means, go to rnrmagonline.com and nominate yourself. I have the privilege and honor of being one of the judges this year. And I know that it's going to be a very difficult task because there are so many incredible women in this industry that do so much to serve their community. So if you have someone that you are so proud to be working with and see her serving her community and reaching out and doing so much to better education and quality for the services that we offer in our industry, please go to rnrmagonline.com and search for Women in Restoration, and then you can nominate her. And if you are that woman, if you are proud of your accomplishments and your time that you spend serving your community in this industry, then please don't be bashful. Go to rnrmagonline.com and nominate yourself and fill out that form. I want to thank you so much in advance for going on over and helping us out with this. And I'm so excited to see who our winner is for 2022. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks for helping me out. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget, send your questions to Annissa at firehouseeducation.com. And I just might feature you on next week's Ask Annissa video call-up.